On behalf of the Communist Party of India Marxist, our wishes to all Indians on our 74th Independence Day. The 75th year of India's independence begins from the 15th of August this year. Normally on an Independence Day, we celebrate the values that were founded for independent India after we gained our freedom from the British, which was an epic struggle of Indian people with countless martyrs and sacrifices. Having achieved that momentous freedom, we sat down to ourselves to produce a system of what should be the character of governance in independent India, and the result was the Indian Constitution. So the Constitution gave us the character of what is independent India, and that is the idea of India in the sense of the united, inclusive nation with immense diversities, linguistic, religious, ethnic, cultural, traditions, etc., all living harmoniously together. And this was backed by some of the most far-sighted fundamental rights of the citizens, which in those days was virtually a very, very big step for human civilization. When most of the so-called advanced democracies today in the West had not given universal suffrage, India from day one gave one man, one vote, one value. But as Ambedkar himself bemoaned, we have not created one person, one value yet. That was the battle in which people of India and the communists were proceeding to convert one person, one vote, one value into one person, one value. And that required a socialist system to be established, and that was the direction of people's struggles. But since 2014 particularly, but even before that, through the freedom movement, there was a strain that did not oppose the British in the struggle for India's independence. That was the RSS. Today, the state power is under their control, and their whole objective is to destroy the secular democratic Republic of India, and in its place, to establish a rabidly intolerant, theocratic, fascistic Hindutva Rashtra, which means the destruction of this very constitution. As we enter our 75th year of independence, that is a challenge before all of us. Will India, that played a major role in international events, politics, and in improving the conditions of billions of our own people, millions of our own people, and which has much more to do, which is what the communists are struggling for. Today what we see is a retrogression, pushing back in the destruction of that very constitution, denial of those very democratic rights and civil liberties, and treating all dissent as anti-national, and virtually destroying the constitution, its institutions, parliament, the judiciary, the election commission, the CBI, the ED, everything is being destroyed in order to achieve the RSS conception of a fascistic Hindutva Rashtra. Today we have to rededicate ourselves to strengthen the secular democratic Republic of India. And that is the battle which will be there in all fronts. And that is where the CPM appeals to the Indian people to come and join these battles so that we can save India as we know of it today, so that we can change it for the better tomorrow. My salutes to all of you.